colours bursting in the sky. With a pop and fireworks play, bonfire night's our favourite day.